Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the AVD quickly. Open Android Studio, confirm SDK tools and a system image are installed, and enable virtualization in BIOS so performance works. Once done, open AVD Manager and click Create Virtual Device. Pick a phone profile and an x86 or x86-64 system image for speed. Make sure the emulator backend, Intel Haxum or hypervisor framework is available. Then finalize the device. This gets you from prerequisites straight into a runnable emulator image. Next, tune the virtual device for reliable display and speed. You should set graphics to hardware or angle to use GPU acceleration, because software rendering is slow and can cause glitches. Then adjust RAM and VM heap to match typical device specs. Too little memory freezes the UI. Once configured, enable or disable snapshots. Snapshot speed startups but can carry state bugs, so use cold boot to reproduce fresh conditions. Finally, save and press play to launch the emulator. Now launch the emulator and get the display working. Use Run from Android Studio or a DB install to push your APK. Make sure display scaling matches your monitor so the UI isn't cropped. If the screen is black or distorted, stop the emulator and choose Wipe Data, then Cold Boot that clears corrupted snapshots. Also update your GPU drivers and verify virtualization is enabled. If problems persist, inspect the emulator logs and Android Studio event log to find the exact error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.